Good morning, children. Today I will be starting with our third chapter, Kinship, Caste and Class. In this, we will be studying about how the society, that is Indian society, was divided into various kinships, castes and classes. What is kinship? Kinship refers to these bonds and all other relationships resulting from them. Institution of kinship refers to a set of relationships and relatives formed thereof based on blood relationships. Textual traditions. A question arises that why is the careful study of available books necessary to write history of early societies of India? Children, every book is written with a perspective for a particular community. What is perspective now? Perspective is outlook. It is possible that some communities may have been ignored out of jealousy or some other reasons. It is also possible that the description about any particular community may be exaggerated. That is why a careful perusal of these books is considered as necessary. Historians use textual traditions to understand changes in polity and economy. Some texts laid down norms of social behavior. Others describe and occasionally comment on a wide range of social situations and practices. We can catch a glimpse of some social actors from inscriptions. Each text or inscription was written from the perspective of some social categories. So we need to keep in mind who composed it and for whom it was composed. We also need to consider the language of the historical text and ways in which it circulated. The central story of Mahabharata. The colossal epic Mahabharata depicts a wide range of social categories and situations. The Mahabharata, like any other epic, contains vivid descriptions of battles, forests, palaces, and settlements. The central story of the Mahabharata is about two sets of warring cousins. It describes a feud over land and power. Feud is enmity. These were the Kauravas and the Pandavas, who belonged to a single ruling family of the Kurus, a lineage dominating over one of the Janapadas. What is lineage, children? Lineage is ancestry, and in Hindi it is Vanshavali. The conflict ended in a battle in which the Pandavas emerged victorious. After that, patrilineal succession was proclaimed. What is patrilineal now? Patrilineal succession is descent through the male line, from father to son, grandson, and so on. V.S. Sukthankar and the critical edition of the Mahabharata. V.S. Sukthankar was a Sanskrit scholar of India. He undertook a project work of preparing a critical edition of the Mahabharata and appointed a team of various Sanskrit scholars. The team collected Sanskrit manuscripts of the text written in various scripts from different parts of the country. They compared the verses from each manuscript. Finally, they selected the verses that appeared common to most versions. They published these verses in several volumes in 13,000 pages. There were several common elements in the Sanskrit versions of the story. Enormous regional variations were also found. The variations of Mahabharata reflect the complex process that shaped social histories through dialogues between dominant traditions and resilient local ideas and practices characterized by moments of conflict as well as consensus. Structure of family or kinfolk, norms of family and kinship. All the families are not identical. They vary in terms of numbers, relationships with each other, and the kinds of activities that they share. Very often, people belonging to the same family share food and other resources, live, work, and perform rituals. Families are generally a large part of the network of people known as the relatives or kinfolk. Familial ties are based on blood and regarded as natural. They are defined in many ways, such as in some societies, cousins are regarded as relatives, and in other societies, they are not. In the case of early societies, it is easy for the historians to retrieve information about the families of elite class. On the other hand, it is very difficult to reconstruct the familial relationship of ordinary people. Another important factor is the attitude towards family and kinship. It is also investigated and analyzed by historians. These factors are important as they give insight into people's thinking. The idea of patrilineal, idea of kinship and succession. Under this patrilineal system, sons have claims to their father's wealth when the latter died. In case the king did not have a son, he was succeeded by one of his brothers. Sometimes other kinsmen claimed the throne, and it was a very exceptional case that women exercised power. For example, Prabhavati Gupta. She did exercise the power.